because more and more I've heard people say, "Oh, there's this door window of opportunity that's closing, and with the AI madness." And I don't want to. I don't want
They're
to be
scary,
shut out.
bro.
They
There's
I'm not
always
gonna lie, that don't fall for that doom posting.
yeah.
That's doom posting. They're just doing
Yeah,
that because it gets. You see how we're talking about doing what works to get views? They're doing
yeah,
the same thing, but it's just doom posting. Because if you
yeah,
actually pay
Yeah.
attention to all this AI, just a sidetrack real quick, like
go for it.
it's not as detrimental. Okay, yes, this thing will change society. However, we're being lied to about timelines because there's a lot of investment implications behind everything. So so you have CEOs lying to boost shareholder value because they need to raise capital to justify these high costs, even though it's been proven China can do everything for a fraction of the cost. But
Yeah,
then you also have the people who are trying to front run views and be seen as experts, just parroting more doom stuff because they know fear sells. So there's always going to be a window of opportunity. It's just we gotta grab it. But this whole thing about it closing, I'm not gonna lie, don't.
yeah,
And there's always going to be room for
Yeah, but yeah, don't let the doomers get to you, man. You got this.
there's also always going to be room for human connection on social media. People always want to hear another
yeah,
person's take or how they relate their life to another person. Like when you talk about this spirituality, not like I don't even know what you're talking about,
that's
but
okay. I'm gonna teach
yeah,
you.
but there's gonna be people don't want an AI to tell them about this.
No, no.
So
And it's funny because some of the spiritual breathwork influencer types I follow, like their own programs, they're starting to like wield AI into like getting
AI is a tool. It's not going to replace
yeah,
them.
Yeah.
no, and people are gonna realize that. Like
I use
on a
AI for
massive
each of my
level.
videos, dude. Like every
Yeah,
single one of my videos, I'm sitting there with ChatGPT, like trying to figure out the best way to simplify the concept into a title of like what's going to be the most powerful, but whether that's like taking an axiom from an already popular saying and then
yeah.
making it my own.